Hello, my name is Nigel Bennett and I am the Managing and Technical Director for Sea Brilliance Limited. We have over 30 years experience in specialist restorative facade cleaning. We are the only company to restore metal, glass and stone in the UK. Here is an example showing the restoration of a blue polyester powder coated facade that has chalked with age. Using the Sea Brilliance 3-stage sacrificial system, we can achieve a long-lasting original factory finish. Sea Brilliance offers an excellent cost-effective alternative to respraying or replacement. We are often specified in tender proposals, recommended by consultants, building surveyors, architects and building owners. We offer full technical and practical support with site surveys, sample before and after photographs and surface integrity testing. For more information, view our website or inquire about our free CPD.